Welcome to the Inspire Learning College. This is the assignment worksheet for Qualify Level 4 Diploma and Introduction to Healthcare Policy with unit number F5059505. So in this video, I'll guide you that how can you meet the requirement of each assessment criteria and learning outcome of this unit while working on your assignments. So before properly working on the specific learning outcome and assessment criteria, you have to provide a short introduction to the topic of your assignment, which is an introduction to healthcare policy. So make sure that you briefly discuss what healthcare policy is, what is the importance of healthcare policy by keeping in mind the word count limit for the introduction, that is 150 words. So here you see, this is the learning outcome 1, which is all about understanding the history and the present state of healthcare in UK. So under the learning outcome 1, for the assessment criteria 1.1, you need to summarize the main healthcare policy changes that were introduced by the Labour government from 1997. So for this assessment criteria, you need to discuss what were the major changes that were introduced by the Labour government from 1997 in terms of discussing what did they try to improve in terms of access, quality and efficiency of healthcare in UK. Whereas in assessment criteria 1.2, you need to summarize the Liberal Coalition Health Agenda, in which you need to look at the official documents of their policies in order to find out what was their plan for health, what were their main goals and approaches. So when you discuss their plans, their goals and approaches, you can provide an effective answer to the assessment criteria in terms of summarizing the Liberal Coalition Health Agenda. Now, this is the assessment criteria 1.3, in which you need to discuss the recent proposals in healthcare policy, as well as its impact on the service users. Now, for the first part of the assessment criteria, you need to look at the things like you can discuss NHS long-term plan, you can also discuss digital healthcare initiatives, or you can even provide discussion on the post-COVID policy changes. So this is all about the assessment criteria part 1. And for the second part of the assessment criteria, you also have to discuss how these changes, how these recent proposals in the healthcare policy play an important role in impacting the service users who are receiving these care services. Now, moving to the learning outcome 2, which is all about the theories or the concepts behind making policy, in which for the assessment criteria 2.1, you need to discuss the ideological backgrounds that influence the healthcare policy development. So what does this mean? It means that you need to look at the different political ideas or the concepts or the theories, like you may consider discussing liberalism, socialism, etc., that you think can play an important role or major role in impacting the healthcare policy development process, in terms of discussing how might these different concepts, how might these different theories or viewpoints influence the decisions about the healthcare outcomes. Whereas for the assessment criteria 2.2, you need to describe how stakeholders can influence the policy development. So for this criteria, first you need to identify the key stakeholders in the healthcare. Then you need to understand their roles in terms of finding the answer to how and they play an important role in impacting or reforming or changing the healthcare policies or the policy development. Now, moving to the learning outcome 3, this is the learning outcome 3, which is discuss the impact of previous and current healthcare policy upon service users. So for this learning outcome, in the assessment criteria 3.1, you need to discuss a policy development during the coalition government and its impact on the service user. Now, what you need to do is you have to pick a specific policy that was developed during the coalition government from 2010 to 2015 that we already talked about earlier in the above assessment criteria. Then, once you choose the specific policy developed during the coalition government, then you need to analyze like how that specific policy actually impacted the service users, like to those individuals who are receiving care, and what were the goals of that policy, what were their main points, what were their main parts, and how did it aim to help service users and the whole healthcare system. Whereas for the assessment criteria 3.2, in which you need to explain the government policy on supporting the service users with long-term health conditions and its impact on the service users. So for this criteria, you need to discuss like what do these policies means for the people who are managing the long-term health conditions, and how they want a better life in terms of getting cure, in terms of getting a high quality of care, and how these policies are supporting those individuals who are fighting trying to get cured from their long-term health conditions. So this is all about the learning outcome and assessment criteria. And once you have discussed the assessment criteria, you also have to provide a brief conclusion to the topic of your assignment as well, in which you can discuss the main points of whole of your assignment in 150 words. And last but not the least, here is the bibliography section, in which you have to provide the references of the sources that you use in the assignment in a proper Harvard referencing style.